scrambled eggs, and extra virgin olive oil with cheese whiz. Lotong bahay recipe, original recipe. Original Pinoy recipe, lotong bahay recipe for breakfast. Masarap to pang palaman, parisa ng pandesal at mainit na kape o tsokolate. Sarap yung kain nyo sa breakfast. Yan, okay na to. Patayin na natin yung apoy. Please like, subscribe.